Good morning, everybody. We got sunlight now. Thing we gotta do, move all these cars in our way.
What you running in this bad boy?
2JZ.
Go over this way. Coming. Right there.
We got a battery. Gonna go ahead and put it in and see if it will start up.
Guess what, dog? Fuck you, dog. This one fit like a fucking glove. Yo, watch your ass. It's fucking.
That's impressive. All this shit still works. Still purrs. That's why we're fixing it.
Toyota.
It's low miles, only 189, so it's under 300K.
Still looks clean. Just. It's not that bad.
Coming from rebuilding completely totaled cars like that one.
You did the deer in 2 days?
And yeah, my 335 after I hit a deer, I did in 2 days. This is kind of day one, so we're probably gonna have to put another day into this. But it had to have leaked some coolant. There's a huge crack in the radiator.
Yeah.
Unless there was no coolant, which it's a UZ. It doesn't need coolant. Toyotas just don't require coolant to run.
No. Yeah. Turn to your left. You're good.
Was a little close this side.
Yeah.
So we'll probably just come along the car sideways or something. Since I don't have a concrete slab, I got all this crap in the way of where it's going. We're gonna fix this car on the trailer.
You put the palmetto stick on his.
Looks like you need more than a hood.
That's why I bought that one. Yeah, they're both mine. This is one that crashed into a tree.
Yeah, I remember that.
Get this rebuild process started. See the total extent of the damage. I didn't even think the radiator was cracked. Obviously I was wrong. Used to be right about here. Now it's right about there. Time to start the teardown and assess all the damage. How we doing? There we go. That's how to center a car with the strap.
That's back.
Don't tell my girl, she'll get jealous.
Miami, bro. After I've been the shit out of that. There you go. Boom.
Car centered.
Gas lid too, huh?
So now we got to find some blocks to put the frame on because the tires are coming off and the front end is kind of torn apart. Found some jack stands. You're good. So we got most of the damaged shit cut off, and yeah, it's just a lot more shit than we anticipated is damaged. Like this pulley is just bent. This hydraulic fan thing bent. Sway bar bracket bent, so the sway bar took a hit. For now, we want to make sure the motor will rev. We went down to the LS400 parts car, borrowed the intake. It revs. It was mostly just vacuum leaks. So that's a good sign. Next up, we got to figure out how to delete that hydraulic fan, because every component in that system is crushed. We're gonna see if we can just switch to a normal fan clutch setup or just go to E-fans. Something else. This whole hydraulic engine crap, I don't want to deal with any of that. All that's going in the trash. We're gonna figure out how to simplify this. And yeah, here's everything. It was damaged. We might just end up putting a random radiator in. Let me grab that LS400 radiator and see how similar it is. Found the new radiator. It's a little tight. Might work. We might be able to just trim these cores down a little. Not the cores, but the end plates. And use this. Looks like we're gonna get some rain, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get the hood on this thing. Definitely looks like some fenders were pulled in, but looks way better. Something's bent in.
Just a little bit.
Like a 1/4 inch. No, actually more.
Or the panel.
We're starting to get rained out here. We're just gonna pack up the tools, put them inside so we don't break any of them. It's definitely totaled. Here's the total amount of what we took off. Pull the frame out a bit. We're gonna put a tube bash bar on it and a tube radiator support, and then just delete all this crap that Lexus put on it. And it will be a lot simpler, a lot cleaner. That sums up the teardown. We tore down all the radiator supports, the core supports, got all the destroyed pieces off it, minus a couple on the engine, which we're gonna order tonight. This side is actually, the side with the impact on it is actually lining up good, since it knocked everything right off the frame and didn't pull it. This side got pulled this way. We're looking like it's off by about a 1/4, maybe a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna have to chain this thing down to the trailer and try to yank this back. I don't see any movement marks under there, but regardless, it's starting to look way better. We got it looking semi like a car. We got the parts car over there. We'll be pulling the front bumper, and we're gonna pretty much just put it on there and then build everything to it. That's pretty much it for today, because we're getting rained out right now. We're gonna go get some food. We might do a little more work if it doesn't rain. Catch you guys later.